Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, if you haven't seen my face, hi, my name is Ishita and I post videos related to makeup, haul and very fun challenges. So if you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. नीचे जो रेड बटन है उसको क्लिक करके मेरे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और अगर ये वीडियो आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा तो एंड में ज़रूर इसको एक थम्स अप देके जाइए. So you have already read by the title that this is going to be a haul video. तो ये है Flipkart का haul. It's going to be a very huge haul because I have a lot of items to show you. जिसमें से 10 आइटम मैंने एक महीने के अंदर ख़रीदा है और एक आइटम मैं कुछ महीने पहले ख़रीदी थी, but I still want to show you guys. So without any further ado, let's jump to the video. So let's start with the first item. The first item I'm going to show you is this particular top right here which I'm wearing. It's from Flipkart and it's a very cool top. It's very light and बहुत अच्छा लगता है. It gives a cool vibe to your look. I was scrolling through Flipkart and I saw this particular t-shirt and I thought मुझे ये खरीदना चाहिए, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. You can wear it at your home, you can wear it outside, you can pair with your denim, trousers and shorts. So yes, I like this top. This is the first top and I will show you how this looks on me. Now comes the second product that I bought from Flipkart. It's this right here. This is a glass. Let me open it first. So first of all, it comes in a black box like this. Then when you open it, there is a cover. It's like the normal glass covers, and right here inside you have the glass with a cleaner. So this is the glass right here. It's the clear glass. I bought this because I freaking love this glasses. I see a lot of people wearing these glasses. It's a very light, clear and very gives a very cool look to you. So I really like these glasses and I thought I want to buy. And lately working a lot on PC, so पूरा दिन I'm staring the screen. So इसलिए मैंने सोचा I think I need something to protect my eyes now. So I got these glasses. सब प्रोडक्ट का प्राइस आपको स्क्रीन में दिख जाएगा क्योंकि मुझे प्राइस तो याद नहीं है, तो मैं देख के चेक करके स्क्रीन में डाल दूँगी. और अगर आप किसी भी आइटम को ख़रीदना चाहते हो तो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, आप लोग जाके लिंक में क्लिक करके डायरेक्टली इसको खरीद सकते हैं. So now I'm going to show you a very cute thing. This is the third product I'm going to show you. It is this set of hairbands right here. Hairbands are very like trendy right now. People are wearing these. ये actually old fashioned hairbands है जो कि पहले बहुत ज़्यादा बिकता था और अभी फिर से ये ट्रेंड में आ रहा है. So yes, I saw this on Flipkart और I got a set of like 6, जो कि एक सेट में ही था, अलग अलग से नहीं लिए. There are 6 different colors. I will show you. The only thing I don't like about these hairbands is the quality. The quality is not that good. मतलब फिनिशिंग अच्छे से नहीं किया गया है. वैसे प्राइस कम है तो it's okay. Like I got one hairband for like 40 to 45 rupees, which is a good deal. So ज़्यादा दिन टिकेगा नहीं ऐसा लग रहा है, but yes, कुछ दिन के लिए ही सही. Let's jump to the fourth product I'm going to show you. The fourth product I have with me is this bag right here. It's the bag from Skybag. So actually ये मेरा नहीं है. This is what my dad bought because he is going to office and he needs to carry his own tiffin now because due to coronavirus it is not safe to eat outside. So he is carrying his own tiffin and water bottle. So that is why he bought a bag and it's from Skybag, the basic Skybag bags. Now I'm going to show you 2 things which I have already shown you in my vlogs. The vlog where I like showed you first day on my job. Yes, that video, that's the video where I showed you these 2 products. If you haven't seen the vlog, I will put that video somewhere. Please go and check that vlog. I will still show you what I got. This is the product This is a mouse which I got. This is a wireless mouse. मेरा जो वायर्ड वाला माउस था वो ख़राब हो गया है, तो मुझे एक माउस लेना था और मैंने ये लिया. This is from the brand Flipkart Smart Pie, but it's made in China, guys, so I will not advise you to buy. मैंने खरीद लिया, आप लोग मत खरीदिए. The next thing I'm going to show you is this table right here. इसको मैं ठीक से दिखाती हूँ आप लोगों को. तो ये जो टेबल है मैंने ये फ्लिपकार्ट से लिया है. मुझे एक टेबल लेना था क्योंकि आई एम वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम, सो लैपटॉप रखने के लिए एक टेबल लेना था क्योंकि आपका जो बैक है वो बेंड होते होते इतना दर्द करने लगता है, तो बैक भी स्ट्रेट रहेगा. आई कैन मैं पीछे किस चीज़ का सपोर्ट भी ले सकती हूँ एंड आई कैन वर्क ऑन इट. बहुत अच्छा है. देयर इज़ अ प्लेस वेयर यू कैन कीप योर फोन्स, टैबलेट्स. देयर इज़ अ स्मॉल राउंड compartment where you can keep your coffee cups, tea cups and bottles. So yes, now let's jump to our I have already shown you 6 products. Now let's come to the 7th product. The 7th product I'm going to show you is this cute shoe right here. So I got this from the brand Asian. अभी कहीं बाहर जाना नहीं है बट मुझे क्यूट लगा तो मैंने खरीद लिया. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. I can use this, coronavirus will get over, and also we can use this for running, jogging, doing our workouts. So it's a very cute shoe and gives you a very trendy look. And I really like the color. So now let's jump to our 8th product. The 8th product I'm going to show you is the product which I got few months back, which I didn't bought like recently. I have used this several times, but still I want to show you is this ring light right here. I got this as a medium sized ring light, I would say. I got this from Flipkart as well. I will put the link in the description so that if you want you can buy. So I will light this up a little. It has a USB. You need to connect to a charger point. This is how the light looks. It's here you can mount your phone. You can also change the color, like it's a bright color, then you can transfer it into a goldenish color, and then you can transfer it into a mixture color. So yeah, you can also increase the brightness and increase the brightness and decrease the brightness, like it's the highest brightness and then you can decrease it like this. So yes, this is such an amazing ring light. I am really satisfied. I am using this from a long time and I like this. The next the next 2 things I'm going to show you guys is a watch which I bought for my mom and my dad. So this was a gift from my side. So yes, that is what I bought for them. I really like this. Is the watch I got for my dad. I was actually looking for something else which was out of stock, but never mind. And this is the watch I got for my mother and I really like this watch. This is from Titan. Both the watches are from Titan. We are almost done with this haul and we are left with the last product. The last product I'm going to show you guys is the thing right beside me. I know you have been noticing from the beginning of the video that there's something beside me which was not there previously. So yes, this is a bookshelf. Let me show you. This is the bookshelf. Not a bookshelf actually, it's a shelf kind of thing which it has 5 shelf kind of thing, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So here you can keep a lot of things. I bought this basically putting my makeup and stuff here, the things I use regularly. here is my wallet, and there's another phone which I don't use. So yes, this is the end to my video. I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked any of the products, and if you want to buy, you can go to my description and buy them. So yes, I hope you like this video. If you like, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel. We are 250 subscribers strong. My goal is to hit 500 subscribers by December. Let's see, let's hope for the best. Let's see what happens. So please help me to grow more, and if you have any suggestions, just put them on the comment box. I will try my level best to do them. And also, if you subscribe to my nephew's channel, it's in the description box. I will put the link of the channel on the description. If you like them, you can subscribe to their channel. And that's it. Meet you on the next video. Till then, goodbye.